What's up everyone, welcome to my first ever video on this channel, and before I begin, I just want to say I'm going to be making tons of tutorials on many different things, so make sure to stay tuned for more videos in the future. And also, if you enjoy this one, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Anyways, getting things started with my first ever tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to record videos on OBS Studio for YouTube or any other platform. Also, one more thing I want to say is most of my tutorial videos are going to be somewhat short and straight to the point, so if you like that, please support me, I would really appreciate it. So getting into things, I am on OBS Studio right now. As you can see, I know you can see like 10 face cams, that's kind of annoying. I don't know how to get rid of that. Anyways, when you load into OBS Studio, there's 4 main things you need to be aware of. That is your video capture device, your mic/aux, your display capture, and then your face cam. So the first thing you need to do is go down below and click on the sources tab right here. You can see my mouse hovering over it, and then hit the plus button above that, and then you're gonna add whatever you need to add. So the first thing I would add is display capture. There's really no settings you're gonna need to adjust for display capture. Your computer screen is automatically gonna come up. So if you record your videos on your computer, then this screen is gonna do everything for you. As you can see, if I switch over to Google right here, it pops up. That's my other YouTube channel, by the way. The next thing you want to add is your video capture device. This is going to account for your face cam, but also your gaming console if that's what you record on. So as you can see right here, when you click on it, it's going to tell you to make a name. You can name it whatever you want, and then it's just automatically going to pop to this, and you just choose what you want it to be. Right now I have it as my webcam, but you can change that to your capture card or whatever you record your videos on. That's another thing I forgot to mention. If you're going to record your videos on a PS5 or Xbox or anything like that, you're going to need a gaming capture card. They cost about $100, but that's just the best option. If you're gonna record your videos from your PC and that's where you play your games on, then you're fine. You don't have to do anything. So the next thing you need to add is at the very top. It's called audio input capture. This is where you add your microphone, and right here it's gonna tell you what device to choose, and you just choose whatever microphone you have. I use a Blue Yeti, so that's what I put for mine. As you can see right here where my mouse is hovering over, I just called it Blue Yeti, and that is where my sound comes from. If you guys need help making your microphone sound better, I have a video for that on my other channel. I'll put a link in my description. So the next thing you need to add is only for if you record your videos on a console, you need to add a second video capture device. So in simple terms, you're gonna have to add 2 video capture devices. One's gonna be for your face cam and the other one's gonna be for the game you play, unless you record your videos on a computer. So that's pretty much all I have for today's video. There's one more thing I can show you, and that is how to add face cam borders or any other images that you want. But as you can see right here, I named it image 8, and that's where I added the face cam border. All you have to do is look up on Google face cam borders and then copy and paste the link, and then you can pull it up. So as you can see right here, I just pasted the link and then I just hit OK and it popped up for me, and then you can move it around to where you need it. So that's going to be the end of the video. If it helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and until next time, I'll see you all later.